Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I'm presenting you a 2006 Jeep Wrangler color silver, and I'm going to fulfill a tour of the Wrangler, start it up, show off the engine, and show a bunch of the features and performances on the interior and the exterior. And today I'm at Automark Corporation in Hanover, Massachusetts. So with that said, let's get to it. It's a silver color exterior. It's locked. With black cloth interior. Manual everything. It's got the 6-speed manual transmission. It's got 55,000 miles. Starts right up. Easy to smooth steer. Like I said, it's a 6-speed manual transmission. All the way back for reverse. Alright, we'll go ahead and pop the hazards and the headlights. Manual windows, and we'll check the exterior. All-terrain tires. Get your fuel cap there with the lock on it. I'll show you how that works later in the video. Alright, we're going to go ahead and open the hood here. To open the hood here, you just got to take these handles off here. There's one on each side. Another one over here. Nozzle open here, just got to lift it up. Alright, it's got the 4-liter inline 6-cylinder. That's your wash fluid. Now we'll close it back up here. And let's now tour the interior. Alright, we'll go ahead and see how it sounds. Very nice. Simple to use climate control. Different zones.
And you grow with
Get your you got two power outlets here. Got your 4-wheel drive. Get your cup holders. Center console. Alright, we'll cut out the big one and we'll tour the rest. Now this fuel cab has a lock on here. To unlock the fuel cab, it comes with this key. You gotta turn the key to the right. You can take the key out there. Now you can open the fuel cap. As simple as that. Now lock it back in place. Just tighten the cap and then just turn the key to lock it. Now the fuel cap is locked. So that's how you open that. We'll check out the back here. Tiny little space here. Seats do fold down, but I'm not going to do that. Lock it back up. Now this is the back here. Get your cup holders in the back. I already have a 2007 Jeep Wrangler on my channel, and I have a 2009 Jeep Wrangler on my channel as well. That's my camera bag. Got speakers in the back here. Well guys, hope you all enjoyed the in-depth tour of the 2006 Jeep Wrangler. Be sure to stay tuned. There's a whole lot more where this came from. Take it easy, folks.